Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video, we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. Which expression is equivalent to 8x times x minus 7 minus 3 times x minus 7 over 2x minus 14, where x is bigger than 7? Before diving into solving this question, I'd like to give you a brief introduction to simplifying algebraic expression. Imagine that we have this question, which is easy, 4x plus 20 over 2x plus 10. You're not allowed to cancel out these x's or divide 20 by 10 because there is positive sign between terms and we have binomials in the numerator and denominator. So what can I do? To simplify the numerator and denominator of an algebraic expression, first we should express them as a product of factors. What does this mean? 4x plus 20 is a binomial, which means that we have two terms, 4x and 20. The highest common factor between 4x and 20 is 4. What does this mean? This means that 4x is divisible by 4 and 20 is divisible by 4 too. So you can factor out 4. And the leftover of 4x, 4 is here, the leftover is x plus, and when you divide 20 by 4, the leftover is positive 5. If you want to check your answer, you can multiply 4 by x, which gives you 4x, and multiply 4 by 5, which gives you 20. So instead of 4x plus 20, you have 4 times x plus 5, which is the product of two factors. Now the same story for 2x plus 10. This is a binomial. We have two terms between 2x and 10. Highest common factor is 2. The leftover of 2x is x when you factor out 2. And the leftover of 10 is positive 5. So we have 2 times parentheses x plus 5 as the denominator. So far so good. You have x plus 5 as highest common factor in the top and in the bottom. You can cancel out these two, and 4 over 2 or 2 is the final answer when you simplify this expression. By knowing this brief introduction, you are be able to solve this a little bit challenging question. Let's dive into. Okay, 8x times x minus 7 minus 3 times x minus 7. Okay, we have two terms, the first one and the second one. As you can see, the highest common factor between these two terms is x minus 7. If you divide first term by x minus 7, the leftover would be 8x. So factor out x minus 7, the leftover is 8x. You can see this here. This is the leftover. And for the second term, the leftover is negative 3. So instead of the numerator, you can write x minus 7 times 8x minus 3. Okay, and how about the denominator? 2x minus 14. This is a binomial. The highest common factor between 2x and 14 is 2. So factor out 2. The leftover of 2x is x, the leftover of 14 is negative 7. So rewritten the denominator as 2 times x minus 7. So far so good. You can see that the highest common factor between numerator and denominator is x minus 7. But notice that x is bigger than 7. You should check that when x is bigger than 7, so x minus 7 is not 0. Because it's not 0, you are allowed to cancel out these two factors, and the leftover of the numerator is 8x minus 3, and for the denominator is 2. So this is the simplest form of this expression after simplify this. So your answer is choice B. See you in next video. Bye bye.